Hey there, beauties! Today, I want to talk to you about some common dermatology mistakes that might be standing in the way of you achieving clearer, healthier skin. First off, one mistake many people make is using the wrong type of moisturizer for their skin. Heavy, greasy moisturizers can clog your pores and lead to breakouts, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Make sure to choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer that won't cause congestion. Moving on to our next point, another common mistake is over-exfoliating. While exfoliating can help slough off dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion, doing it too frequently or using harsh exfoliants can irritate your skin and strip away its natural oils. Stick to exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week using a gentle scrub or chemical exfoliant. Remember, taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated. By avoiding these common mistakes and listening to your skin's needs, you can achieve clearer, healthier skin in no time. So go ahead, embrace your natural beauty and let your skin shine. Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mindful breaks for your clear skin journey. It's important to take care of our mental health as well as our skin, so let's go over some mistakes to avoid. Firstly, don't neglect your self-care routine. Remember to carve out time in your day for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply taking a walk in nature, make sure to prioritize your mental well-being. Secondly, don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for maintaining healthy skin, so be sure to keep a water bottle handy throughout the day and sip on it regularly. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your inner state, so taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your skin. By avoiding these simple mistakes and incorporating mindful breaks into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving that clear, glowing complexion you've always dreamed of. Uplifting ending sentence, so take a deep breath, relax, and nurture your skin from the inside out. You deserve it. Hey there, foodies! Today, we're diving into the world of hydrating foods that can help boost your focus naturally. Let's take a look at the top 5 hydrating foods that can keep you feeling sharp and energized throughout the day. First up, we have water-rich fruits like berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants and vitamins that can improve cognitive function. Next, we have cucumbers, which are made up of 95% water. These crunchy veggies are not only hydrating but also rich in vitamin K and potassium, which are essential for brain health. Don't forget about watermelon. This juicy fruit is not only a hydrating snack but also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can protect your brain cells from damage. Incorporate hydrating foods like these into your diet to stay focused and energized throughout the day. Remember, what you eat can have a big impact on your mental clarity and productivity. Stay hydrated, stay sharp.
Show a woman sitting in front of a mirror with minimal makeup on. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a 10-minute minimal makeup routine that will boost your confidence fast. Show the woman applying primer to her face. First things first, start by applying a primer to create a smooth base for your makeup. This will help your makeup last all day long. Main story point 1. Show the woman applying a lightweight foundation and blending it in with a beauty blender. Next, apply a lightweight foundation to even out your skin tone. Don't forget to blend it in well for a natural finish. Main story point 2. Show the woman applying a coat of mascara to her lashes. Now, add a coat of mascara to your lashes for an instant eye-opening effect. Mascara is a great way to make your eyes pop without the need for eyeshadow. Show the woman applying a tinted lip balm to complete her look. Finish off the look with a tinted lip balm for a subtle pop of color on the lips. And there you
Hey loves, today I want to share with you 7 essential tips for inner beauty transformation. First, embrace self-love and acceptance. Treat yourself with kindness and compassion, and remember that you are worthy of love just as you are. Next, practice gratitude daily. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for, and watch how it shifts your perspective and brings more positivity into your life. Remember, true beauty shines from within. Nurture your mind, body, and soul with self-care practices like meditation, exercise, and healthy eating. Choose positivity and surround yourself with uplifting people who support and encourage you on your journey to inner beauty transformation. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Stay present in the moment, let go of worries about the past or future, and focus on being fully engaged in the now. Lastly, practice forgiveness. Let go of grudges and resentments that weigh you down, and free yourself from negative energy.